Here's a Para 1911 Elite Carry. Get close to that, let everybody see the words and everything. Made in Para, USA, out of Charlotte, North Carolina. Match grade barrel, stainless steel slide, aluminum frame, Coca-Cola wood grips, Bolo, Coca-Cola Bolo grips, fiber optic sight. We're going to do a field strip and get her back together. This gun is locked and loaded. Got the 230 grain SIG ammo. Lipstick Hornady 220 grain plus P ammo in the chamber. Okay, cock the hammer back. You line the first notch into the slide back there. You push the dot in. Take that out. Release the slide. Push forward. And you see it's got the 2-stage recoil spring. Metal guide rod. Push in on it and pull out. And you'll see the pushing link. Push in on that, pull out on here. Then push that barrel link down, or pushing thing. Push the barrel out. There's the Elite Carry Para USA 1911 for reassembly. Push that down, back into the slide. Here's the small end. Here's the big end with the lip. You'll put the big end to the back and push the low end in the front. Two-stage recoil spring. There's your aluminum frame. The main thing, getting the slide back on, we'll make sure this is pushed to the back so you can see the hole. Once you got that hole lined up, you can see through it. Push that in there, get it started. Then you want to get that first notch lined up to that square. Then you want to do a function test, see if it works. Hold the trigger, work the slide. And you got a functioning 1911 back in order.